You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is t equals 20. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all t terms on the left side of the equation. Add 5t to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is t equals 20.